Namaste students. In this video we are going to see 4th, 5th and 6th problem. First 4th problem in exercise 8.1. Find 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and secant A. So you have to shift this 15 to the right hand side. Then you will get cot A is equal to 8 by 15. So, what is the trigonometric ratio for cot? Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan formula is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So, what is for cot? Cot A is equal to adjacent by opposite. So, 8 is adjacent. Cot A is equal to adjacent by opposite, that is 8 by 15. 8 by 15. First, draw a triangle. A, B, C. This is hypotenuse. And for which angle we have to, they have given for which angle first? A. So which one is opposite? This is opposite and this one is adjacent. Now mark the number 8 and 15. 8 is adjacent side and opposite is 15. So we have to find the hypotenuse. We have to find the hypotenuse. How we have to find? By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC, that only we have to find. Keep it as it is, and AB is 8. 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square plus 15 square. And then 8 square is 64. And 15 square is 225. If you add, you will get 289. And shift the square. 289. And the AC is equal to, if you take a square root, what you will get? 17. AC is equal to 17. That is, hypotenuse is equal to 17. Hypotenuse is equal to 17. This is formula. Now what we have to find? Sin A. They are asking for the same answer angle only. So I am not going to draw the diagram again. So first sin A. Sin A formula is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is 15. 15 by 17. 15 by 17. Next, secant A. Secant A. I said for sin theta, cos theta and tan theta only. So, how we have written for cot? The reciprocal of tan. So, now secant is a reciprocal of cos. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. So, first write the cos formula, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. That is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now tell me for secant A, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. That is hypotenuse by adjacent. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse and secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. So this is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse value is 17. 17 divided by 8. 17 divided by 8. Like this we have to write the trigonometric ratios. Thank you. Next, fifth problem in exercise 8.1. Given that secant theta is equal to 13 by 12, calculate all the trigonometric ratios. You have to calculate all the trigonometric ratios. Okay. First, you have to find the missing side. For that, First draw a circle, draw a triangle, right triangle. A, B, C. This is hypotenuse. Which one is opposite? We have to choose. Here they have given theta. So I am going to represent here theta. Theta. Okay. This is opposite. That is AB is the opposite side, and theta is BC is adjacent side for the angle theta. So this is the hypotenuse, this is opposite, and this is adjacent. First, secant theta. Secant theta, which one is a reciprocal ratio? Which one is the reciprocal ratio? Cos theta. So first write the cos theta formula, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. And for secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent. What is the hypotenuse? 13 by 12. So the hypotenuse is 13 and the adjacent is 12. So we have to find the opposite side. How we have to find? By Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is 13 square. And AB, that only we have to find, and then BC is 12 square. 13 square is 169. AB square plus 12 square is 144. Shift 144 to the left hand side. 169 minus 144 is equal to AB square. If you subtract, what you will get? 25. And shift the square to the left hand side. Root 25 is equal to AB. So AB is equal to 5. AB is equal to 5. That is opposite side is 5. So write all the trigonometric ratios as first. Cha, ko, to. First, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. And that you have to write. And what is the reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. That is hypotenuse by opposite. Clear? And then cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. And what is the inverse of cos? That is secant. Secant theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. Clear? And then next one is tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is the reciprocal of tan theta? That is cot theta, adjacent by opposite. Clear? Have written the formula first. All trigonometric ratios. Now write the answer. Opposite is what? 5. Hypotenuse is 13. Adjacent is 12. So opposite 5 by 13. Here 13 by 5. That's it. Reciprocal it. And then adjacent 12. 12 by hypotenuse is 13. Here 13 by 12. 13 by 12. Opposite by adjacent. 5 by 12. Here 12 by 5. All trigonometric ratios. First you have to find the missing side and then apply the trigonometric ratio formula and find the value. Clear? Thank you. Next, sixth problem in exercise 8.1. If angle A and angle B are acute angles. Angle B and angle A is or acute angle means, then which angle is 90 degree? One angle must be 90 degree in the trigonometry, no? So first draw a triangle. First draw a triangle. Both A and B are acute angles. So C is a 90 degree. Right angled at C. Okay. So consider a triangle. Consider a triangle ACB such that angle C is equal to 90 degree, and in the given they said that cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to cos B. So first you have to find which one is cos A and cos B separately. So for that I am going to draw the figure again. A, C, B, A, C, B. 90 degree, 90 degree. This is hypotenuse. This is to write cos A to represent the angle A. So this is opposite and this one is adjacent. And this is to represent B, angle B. So which one is opposite? This is opposite and this is adjacent. Okay. So first write cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is here AC. AC divided by hypotenuse is AB. Here adjacent is BC divided by hypotenuse is AB. Here you can cancel AB, AB. Both are same. So the remaining is AC is equal to BC. So we found that AC is equal to BC. But we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle B only. This angle only you have to prove it is equal. But here we proved that the sides are equal. That AC is equal to BC. Then how we can tell that the angles are equal? By the theorem which we studied in 9th standard, that angles opposite to the equal sides, that is angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle, are equal. Angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are equal. Then we can tell that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, so here they mentioned that angle A and angle B are the acute angles. Then the angle C must be 90 degree. So consider a triangle and then angle C represent 90 degree. They have given in the question that cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to cos B. Find the sides trigonometric ratio that AC divided by AB and BC divided by AB. Here AB we can cancel, and then the remaining is AC is equal to BC. Angles opposite to the equal sides of the triangles are equal. So we can conclude that angle A is equal to angle B. Thank you.